Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your full name or your legal name on Coursera.org. So first you have to go to Coursera.org and you have to log into your account. So after logging into your account, you have to simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to the settings here. Simply click on settings. Now here is your account section where you can find the full name, where you can actually change your full name from here. But remember that for setting up a full name, you have to verify your name. So you have to simply click on verify my name. For example, if I change it to name here, then you have to simply click on verify my name. Then you have to verify your first name, your middle name if you have one. It's actually optional. Then you have to add a last name. Then you have to verify it with a legal document actually. So by check on this box here. Now simply click on submit here. So here you can see um, it has just verified that your name is now verified. Here you can see, so it will appear on your certificates. But if you want to change your full name, then you can simply click on request name change here. If you once added this, then you can change your first name and last name, then you can submit it, and after a request, when the team will get your request, they can actually approve your name changing request. Then they can actually change your verified name that actually appear on your certificate when you finish some courses or specialization or specialized on any subject on Coursera. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.